Hello everyone, this is Jorbo, and I'm here to take you on a little tour of the upcoming Neural Stack for Work website and show the UI off a little bit. This has been a bit of a passion project for me, and it is a forever work in progress. There will never be a full release. It will constantly be iterated and upgraded on. This is a current build environment that I just wanted to show. As we prepare for launch, which will be early January 2025. Pre-sale has concluded. We raised enough money to have a healthy liquidity pool at launch, and those tokens were already airdropped to those who participated in the pre-sale. Just real quick, this is the landing page, so you can see here we have a total supply of 69,420,000. And there will be zero tax on transactions. It is essentially a meme coin. However, we have built-in utility. And so you can see 20 million of the tokens were distributed for pre-sale. And then we have a certain amount, 9,420,000, that have been held back for marketing and for partnerships, rewards purposes. If you join our Discord, we play some rumbles in there, give out some rewards, and then the vast majority, the remaining 40 million, will be added to the liquidity pool when we launch that in early January. The contract address is there. You can add it to your MetaMask. There's links, Twitter, Discord, GitHub, or Gitbook docs. Those all need to be updated. And just a brief roadmap. Airdrop complete. We're expanding our community, developing the platform. Token launch will be early January with liquidity pool activation, and we'll begin marketing further than just these quick demo videos. And then quarter one onto the future, we're going to be continually upgrading the UI. The plan was actually to launch or to create the token, launch the token, and have the utility actually come out afterwards, but I'm optimistic that this will actually launch with the token so that it will have utility from day one. Okay, now moving forward, first things first is the wallet's not connected. So if we go to generate, we have our home, generate account. It's obviously not going to load an account. So if we go to generate, it's going to say we need to see if you have any tokens. We can go here and connect wallet, and we'll go ahead and connect. And it will verify that you're on the Avalanche network. Let's just say you were on a different network. It will tell you make sure to switch to Avalanche and switch it for you. And I wanted to keep this as simple, clean, easy as possible. So first thing here is we have our step one, and we have a random dice. So we're going to expand step one here. We have a basic mode and an advanced mode. And this site is available on desktop and mobile. And it has a quick tooltip here. It tells you that basically, as you create a prompt, a good prompt, your image generation is only going to be as good as your prompt. I've spent a lot of time with image generation, and in my opinion, these are the three basic components that you need. If you want to get really far into the weeds, we have an advanced mode, which would have all these other elements here that you can add, and that may be when you get more experience and you really want to dial things in. So if we hit the random key here, it's giving us a subject, ancient artifact, photorealistic, dynamic spotlights, pastel tones, wide landscape, fine line work, award-winning classical art. And let's just say we want to keep that. I mean, we could come in here, we could change the, let's do a mythical creature. Maybe we don't want photorealistic, we want digital art. And then we can take these and compose a prompt. So this is our simple prompt here. Let's say we're going through here and we want to change, I don't know, pastel tones. We want dark and moody. And fine line work, maybe we don't want fine line work. We want dynamic, I don't know, let's say highly detailed. And let's say we want to edit that and we'll say extremely highly detailed. Award-winning classic art. So now we can put that in there, and now you'll see extremely highly detailed. That'll actually save as if that was one of our own personal prompt additions, so we can quick select that later. So let's say like instead of a mythical creature, we wanted a dinosaur. and we hit that there. So now if we come back later, a dinosaur's in here, and because it's one of our own, it's green. So if we go back up here to this bomb, we could delete all those. If we had too many custom ones that we wanted to delete, we could just blow those all up. But we'll keep those all in there for now. So we've added a few of our own custom ones, but we could literally use just what's there. We hit compose prompt, and it gives us just really each of those components together. It's not very like flowery or anything. So we can come here and we could copy this and take it into an external like Midjourney or some other tool. If you don't want to use not safe for work token, you literally just have to hold one token for now. We may change that, but and you have access to this prompt generator. And then you can use this button here, which is on a 30-second cooldown, so it doesn't get overused, overworked, but it will enhance the prompt. So now it's a highly detailed dinosaur depicted in a digital art style. So it's basically taking this and putting it in a more, I guess, conversational flow, which most image generators do better with this type of speech now. And so if we like it, we can wait for 30 seconds and do another one, or we can save this. And so now we have our saved prompts. And if we like this prompt, we can reload it at any point, and we can edit it, fine-tune it more. We can enhance it again. We can let's make another one here. An ancient temple. Let's do a basic one. A magical forest. I don't like vector art. Let's do ink drawing and Gothic art. Great. Let's do that, and let's juice it up a little bit, and we'll go ahead and save that. So now we have a couple prompts saved here, and you can see that if they have this, we could delete each of these, or we could delete all of them here. And these will be saved and tied to your profile or your wallet forever, and they'll be timestamped, sortable. So yeah, let's go ahead and we'll load the Magic Forest one, and we'll come here, and we can generate images here. So we can look at this, and let's move it to the enhanced. I think I'm going to make it default to enhanced in the future. But you could switch between the two if you want the simple version or the enhanced version. And you can come here and check your aspect ratio. So Mysterious Forest is more like landscape type. So we'll go ahead and we'll change the aspect ratio to landscape. These are all depictions of the actual aspect ratios, like mobile, and just their common uses, I guess. So landscape, we're going to go ahead and hit generate images, or image. And so real quick, it's going to create a image for us, and it also has the prompt associated with it here, and the time it was created, and the aspect ratio here. There is more details that are saved in the background that will be used for later workflows, and I'm not going to get into any of that right now. That's just technical stuff for later. So this image is outlined, and I haven't got to the next step yet, but next we would be looking at upscaling, editing the image, improving the image, adding details, adding text. You can actually add text in here. With this prompt right here, we could add anything we want to it. So, and currently this is a temporary image. So you may make several temporary images. You can hold up to 5. There are 5 temporary ones in storage. And then you can later on move those to a safe storage, and you can hold up to 25 for now. We'll see as things go. We may add more cloud storage and things like that. So let's say we like that one. I'm going to save that. Let's generate a few more here. And say, maybe we'll generate, oh, I forgot to save it. So we generated another one. And, oh no, actually I like that one. Well, now how do I go find it? Well, good news is you can, like I said, have up to 5 temporary images. So if you come into your account, this will show you your airdrop date. So again, just popping down this is going to show you your wallet. This is going to show you the navigation bar. Come down here to account, and we can look at, here we have our permanent one. So we can download that, or we can trash that. So it tells us we have 1 of 25 images stored. And then we can look at these. There's no need to delete these. They'll be overwritten. But we can go ahead and save this one that we like. So now that's temporary one is also saved, and you might have to refresh it, but it'll remove the temporary one. So now we have 2 of 25, and we have a temporary one, and We can go back here and let's go generate some more images. Now our prompt is gone. We could type our own personal prompt, or we can come back to the prompt generator and we can go load. Let's do the dinosaur one now. So we've loaded this one in. Go to step 2, it closes that one. And now we have our highly detailed. And we're going to do like a tall one. Maybe it'll give us a tall dinosaur here. So we hit generate. And there we go. I guess that's what with digital art. Yeah, digital art style. Extremely highly detailed. And so you can take that, go view it in your account. It's not saved. Now because it's tall, we can go ahead and save it and refresh that. Okay, and now we look here. Let's say, oh, I want to send this on Twitter or something. We can go ahead and download it, and boom, we have our image there. And see, this is a very rough image, and this is where the further workflows will come into play to upscale the image, to really refine it and make it nice. And I have really been refining this UI, so I haven't got there quite yet, but that would be an essential step 3 as the edit and upscale. Edit will also give you the ability to select a certain area and have the AI retouch that area up. So say this dinosaur had too many fingers or something, we could go in and touch that up. And those are things to come here. I just kind of wanted to show off the main UI, as this will not be changing. This is kind of the way it's going to be styled. And you can see here, if I go into a mobile mode, it actually works on what would be essentially a touchscreen phone or tablet as well. So instead of being double wide, it's going to be taller, so you could select all your things there. You could come down here. Oh, let's do another new one just to see what we get. A warrior oil painting Baroque style. Okay, sure. We compose that one, so we can see that here. We don't need those save prompts. And we can hit to enhance it. And if you do multiple enhances, they'll be tied to the same prompt. So if you don't like the way that this came out, you could wait 30 seconds and do it again. I'm going to hit save all. And because it's loaded in this final prompt window, we can come down here to this. We can go from original to enhanced. Aspect ratio, let's do a portrait. And we'll go ahead and hit generate image here. This clear all generated, this is just for dev purposes. This is so I can clear out all my images. So I can start over again. So there's a warrior velvet oil. Sure, it's a style. It's not my favorite, but okay. And then you can go ahead and hit save there. And if we come to account now, we can view all these, the ones that are saved. This one's still temporary. And if we wanted to come download, we could download it there. Okay. But that's a detailed UI explanation. And just a little preview of what's to come. I'm a one-person team. This is just me and AI coding it out together and fixing it up. So I've spent a lot of time in research into AI generation and AI workflows, and now especially how to make a clean and convenient UI. And my goal is to make the best of the best, make the most user-friendly tool that will make it easy for people to do all AI things in one place. Image generation is just the simplest place to start, but we will be doing song generation, video generation, chatbot building and training. We'll be doing character building and training, model style and training. All of those things will allow a user to dial in their experience more and more. So come check out our Discord, come check out the documents, come talk to me anytime you want. I'm happy to share my vision with others and look forward to seeing a lot of you around launch, January 2025 on AVAX. Stack on.